Hey guys, Dirt Rust here. Thought I'd show you my Scout pocket knife collection. I've collected quite a few at flea markets. Some were given to me, and some I found at thrift stores and yard sales throughout the years. And this is my collection, so let's take a closer look. Alright, here you guys go, Camp Buddy. It's got the basics of a Scout knife. You got the reamer or leather punch. Most Scout knives have the spear point, main blade, and they got a can opener, and they'll also have a bottle opener and a